The rhythmic clack-clack of the train wheels provided a soothing background hum. Inside the sunlit carriage, a 24-year-old young man sat pressed against the glass window, his eyes wide and brimming with an almost childlike wonder. Suddenly, he gripped the edge of the window and shouted with pure joy, "Dad, look! The trees! They're going behind us!" His father, sitting gently beside him, simply smiled, a warm, knowing smile full of deep affection. Across the aisle, a well-dressed young couple observed the scene. They exchanged uncomfortable glances, looking at the 24-year-old's loud, childish behavior with thinly veiled pity. A moment later, the young man gasped, pointing excitedly at the sky. "Dad, look up there! The clouds are running with us. They're chasing the train." The young couple sighed, unable to resist their own judgment. The husband leaned across the aisle and spoke to the older man in a low, condescending tone. "Excuse me, sir, but why don't you take your son to a good doctor or a clinic? His behavior is unusual." The old man did not look offended. Instead, his smile softened even more. He looked at the couple with absolute peace. "I did," the father replied gently. "In fact, we are just coming from the hospital right now." He paused, looking back at his son who was mesmerized by a passing flock of birds. "My son was blind from birth. Today is the first time he is seeing the world." The couple froze, the color draining from their faces as a heavy, humbled silence washed over them. Moral? Every single person on the planet has a story. Don't judge people before you truly know them. The truth might surprise you.